Tons of tips you should know about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process where a revenue sharing plan is implemented online using an automated marketing program which lets webmasters place an advertiser's ads or links on their website. This video can help you understand this simple, yet also complex method of marketing and publicizing your business, product and services. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. Use long-tail keywords to promote your affiliate marketing product. To do this, search for your product using Google's free keyword tool. Choose keywords that have a moderate following, as opposed to those that attract millions of hits. By doing this, you will reduce your competition and have a better chance of getting higher search engine rankings. A great affiliate marketing tip is to edit your videos to make them generate more web traffic. You can generate more web traffic simply by using different keywords or by using a tool such as Rank Tracker. This is a great way to increase your search engine rankings and to make more money. A great tip to be successful with affiliate marketing is to record a Skype video interview with the owner of the particular product you are attempting to sell. You should include lots of quality content, but include a selling pitch at the end. This will likely convince doubters about purchasing this product because they have seen and heard the person in charge of the product. One tip for successful affiliate marketing is to hold a Skype meeting with the owner of the product you are attempting to sell. He should include quality content and a selling pitch. This can convince customers to purchase the product and means extra income for you. The key to making money with affiliate marketing is finding a way to increase the amount of people who visit your site. The vast majority of people visiting your site will get there through a search engine such as Yahoo or Google. For this reason, it is critical that you utilize search engine optimization techniques to acquire a high ranking among the major search engines. Keep the dream that your prospect is trying to succeed in the forefront of their minds. Show off the pictures of your cars, your homes, your children graduating from college that you paid for. Let them imagine that those pictures are theirs. Remind them that you got all of this because of your program. Promote only high-quality products that you believe in to your customers. If the reader learns that they can trust you, they will be more likely to take your advice on purchasing new products that they don't know much about. Keeping your product line to only items that you can truly support will keep your customers coming back again and again to your site. As it has been explained above, affiliate marketing has many benefits as well as many ways to utilize it. There are many different ways to go about affiliate marketing and all can be quite successful. By understanding the information in this video, you can decide how affiliate marketing can work for your business. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.